Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session, we would learn how to solve the practice problem value at a given index position in linked list. So first we would understand the question and then we would solve it. So basically in this question we are given n is equal to total number of elements. Then we are given x is basically the index position. We need to go to this index position and print the value present at that position. Now basically generally we start the index positions from 0, right? But this time we do not need to start it from 0, we need to start it from 1. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now you can clearly see that the x value is 5, right? So what would be my output? My output would be 6, 5, 7. I hope the concept is clear to you with the one based indexing. Now let's move forward to the solution. What you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, choose basic. Okay, then find the problem node at a given index in linked list. Once you find the problem, you need to solve it. So let's solve it. Okay, here is the question. Let's read it first. Given a singly linked list with n nodes and a number x, the task is to find the node at the given index x of the linked list. I hope the question is clear to you and we can easily code this over here. Okay, so let's start with the code. Okay, so give me 1 minute. Enter. First, if k equal to 1 colon enter, then return with the head of data. That means there is only one value. So return with head dot data. Okay, enter. Else what do you need to do? Return get, I just need to write nth. Okay, over here circular brackets head dot next. I need to keep on moving forward till I find the value. Now I am starting from one index, that is why k minus 1. Now I need to check if the solution is correct or not. So I would click on compile and run. Let's wait. Okay, the compilation is completed. My output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the given problem. Let's wait 1 minute. Problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the practice problem node at a given index position. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button, and thank you for joining me today. Thank you.